Hey, and welcome back to another exciting episode of This and That with Chris. Tonight I'm going to be changing the fan switch on the side of the radiator for my 1981 MK1 Volkswagen Rabbit. Right now I'm having issues. My fan will not kick in. If I jump it from in the prongs, in the connector, I jumped it across, and sure enough, fan runs. So I'm only assuming the switch is shot, hopefully, because that's an easy fix. This was $15, fan switch. Got it from Napa Auto Parts locally. It's just a 2-prong fan switch. Comes with a seal, felt seal. Put it on here, 2 connections, pretty basic. And the original is right down there on the side of the radiator. Fairly basic. And there's 2 electrical connectors, both which slide over flat prongs, so you just remove them like that. I already removed them the other day, and then I jumped the power across on these 2 prongs from here to here. I just used a paper clip, stuck it in there, fan runs full speed. So we know that something's going on with power issue for sure. So yeah, I'm gonna find the right wrench. By the way, I've not drained any antifreeze, so I'm gonna have to get a drip pan and try to catch the antifreeze. Oh, it's big. Bigger than 24. There. Came loose fairly easy. I don't have the right size wrench for this, so here I am using a crescent wrench, which I'm well aware isn't the right tool for the job. There, it's as simple as that. The fan switch is not changed. Tomorrow when I drive, I'll have to test it out and see if it kicks in. And I figured while I'm at it, I might as well change the oil. Got everything here to do it, and it's been a while, so why not? Been driving the car lots lately, every day pretty much. Driving it to work. Cost me about $15 a week to drive this out to work and back. Alright, she's done dripping. I'm going to put the plug back in. There. And the drain plug is a 19mm, by the way, if anybody cares. Here's the oil filter. I got the drain pan directly underneath it. Spin it off. Let it fall in the pail. New one. I always oil the rubber on the filter. Just take some used oil and put it on the rubber. That way you can get it back off easier, I find. There, filter's tight. 1540 motor oil. Holds about 3.5 liters of oil, I think it is, or something like that. I never know exactly how much. I just add it until it's in the operating range. which it is already getting dangerously close to. That concludes the oil change and the replacement of the temperature switch on the side of the radiator. I'm going to start her up. Thank you all for tuning in. Any questions, comments, conversation, please leave it below. Again, this is a 1980 MK1 Volkswagen Rabbit 4-door hatchback, 1.5 liter naturally aspirated diesel engine. I change oil about every 6,000 kilometers and I drive this thing daily. I get about 65 miles to the gallon with it and it's a good car. Thank you all for tuning in and have a great day.